So DyeMansion is the company that takes care of all the post-processing needs, especially on adding value on the parts and automating different processes. For example, cleaning, surfacing and the coloring. Up until now, a lot of steps in the post-processing have been done manually, and this increases costs and also increases the chance that parts are not handled in the way they should be. Yeah, so you have to understand that our machines, they are automation ready. So we have automated loading and unloading, but we do not connect the dots between the machines. So this is where AM Flow comes into place, taking care that parts are carried from one machine to another machine, and also that they are treated with the right process. So for example, after the cleaning or depowdering of the parts, customers have to sort it into different colors. So there might be a build job where you have parts in that need to be colored in 5 different colors. And this is done manually today, and AM Flow has a very good solution on visually recognizing the parts and making sure that they are then sorted in the right way and followed with the right process. Well, in the future or in the next years, a lot will be about automation, because this is one key driver to get the costs down, and this is what additive manufacturing has to do.